This animal has not changed in 200 million years. It didn't need to. While the dinosaurs went extinct, while ice ages came and went, while entire species rose and disappeared, this one stayed exactly the same, because it was already perfect. Today, 10 facts about the crocodile, the animal that survived everything by needing nothing to change. Fact 1. The crocodile you're looking at right now is built from the same blueprint as animals that lived alongside the first dinosaurs. Scientists call this evolutionary stability. While other species had to adapt or die, the crocodile's basic design, armored skin, powerful tail, ambush hunting style, was already so efficient that evolution simply stopped changing it. 5 mass extinctions have wiped out the majority of life on Earth. Crocodiles survived every single one, not by being the strongest, by being the most efficient. Fact 2. The crocodile's bite force is the strongest of any living animal ever measured. Saltwater crocodiles can generate over 3,700 pounds per square inch of bite pressure. To put that in perspective, a human bite is around 150 to 200 psi. But here's the twist almost nobody knows. The muscles that close a crocodile's jaw are extraordinarily powerful. The muscles that open it are almost laughably weak. A grown man could hold a crocodile's jaws shut with a rubber band. The danger isn't the crocodile's strength to open its mouth. It's that once it closes, there is no force on Earth strong enough to open it again. Fact 3. A crocodile can stay completely invisible while breathing, watching, and listening, all at once. Its eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned in a perfectly straight line along the top of its head. This means a crocodile can submerge its entire body and still see, hear, and breathe with only a few inches of itself exposed. When it dives completely, a transparent third eyelid slides across each eye, allowing the crocodile to see clearly underwater while protecting its eyes, like built-in swimming goggles. And its ears have a flap of skin that closes automatically underwater, sealing out water completely. Every sense engineered for ambush. Fact 4. Crocodiles have a heart valve that no other reptile has, and it might be the key to their entire survival strategy. Most reptiles have a 3-chambered heart. Crocodiles have 4 chambers, like mammals and birds. But they also have something unique, a valve that can redirect blood flow away from the lungs during long dives. This allows a crocodile to slow its heart rate dramatically and redirect oxygen to only the organs that need it most. A crocodile can hold its breath for up to 2 hours when resting. 2 hours, motionless, waiting, while its prey forgets it's even there. Fact 5. The crocodile's signature move, the death roll, isn't actually about killing, it's about dismantling. Crocodile jaws can clamp down with terrifying force, but they cannot tear or chew. So when a crocodile catches prey too large to swallow whole, it spins its entire body rapidly along its long axis, using the twisting force to tear off a manageable piece. This rotational force can exceed anything the prey's body can withstand. The crocodile isn't trying to kill with the roll. By this point, the prey is often already gone. The roll is simply meal preparation. It's one of the most violent-looking behaviors in nature, and it's essentially a crocodile cutting its food. Fact 6. A crocodile's sex is decided not by genetics, but by temperature. Inside the nest, eggs incubated at around 31.6 degrees Celsius produce males. Just slightly warmer or cooler, and the same genetic eggs produce females instead. This means the position of an egg within the nest, closer to the warm center or the cooler edges, can determine the sex of that hatchling. A mother crocodile, simply by choosing where to build her nest, is shaping the gender ratio of her entire next generation. Climate itself becomes biology. Fact 7. The same jaws capable of 3,700 psi can also carry a baby without leaving a single mark. When crocodile eggs hatch, the mother often carries her young to the water in her mouth. The most powerful bite on the planet, deployed with absolute precision to cause zero harm. Some crocodile species guard their young for up to 2 years, far longer than most reptiles ever interact with their offspring. The same animal we associate with raw violence is, for a portion of its life, one of the most attentive parents in the reptile world. Power isn't the opposite of gentleness. Sometimes it's the proof of it. Fact 8. When a crocodile lies with its mouth wide open in the sun, it's not a threat display. It's air conditioning. Crocodiles cannot sweat. Instead, they release excess body heat through their open mouths, a behavior scientists call gaping. The moisture inside the mouth evaporates, cooling blood vessels near the surface. This is also why crocodiles spend hours seemingly doing nothing. They're cold-blooded, so their body temperature depends entirely on their environment. Every motionless hour you see is actually active temperature management. The stillness isn't laziness, it's precision climate control. Fact 9. A crocodile's skin isn't just tough, it's embedded with actual bone. Beneath the scales, crocodiles have bony plates called osteoderms embedded directly into their skin. This is functional armor, grown as part of the body itself. Not fur, not feathers, not shell. Bone built into skin. These osteoderms also help regulate body temperature, acting as a heat exchange surface when the crocodile basks in the sun. Armor that doubles as a thermostat. Evolution rarely gives an animal one perfect feature. The crocodile got 2 fused into the exact same tissue. Fact 10. The crocodile's greatest weapon was never its bite, its armor, or its strength. Its patience. A crocodile can wait, motionless, for hours, sometimes days, for a single moment of opportunity. No other large predator on Earth can commit to stillness this completely, for this long, without losing the ability to strike instantly when the moment comes. 200 million years, 5 extinctions, 1 design. The crocodile didn't outrun evolution. It simply waited it out. 10 facts. One animal that mastered patience before patience had a name. No upgrades needed, no changes required, just waiting perfectly. Like, share, and subscribe to Family Video. Animal facts that schools never taught you. But patience isn't the only path to survival. Some animals chose a different strategy entirely, outlasting trees, dinosaurs, and even the continents themselves, simply by being perfect from the very start. That's the next video.